Hey sis, thank you so much for the suggestion on an electric skillet. So I'm going to share with you guys what we were able to find at an affordable price at Walmart and make dinner the other night. Yeah. All right. Hi, Tommy. So one of our viewers in the comments suggested an electric skillet. So we went and got one. It's called the My Mini. It was really affordable. It was only $8. So we're about to attempt to make hamburger helper. A little bit of minced garlic in there.
Oh, that's not bad. That was a good amount. That's dead.
Black pepper.
It smells so good.
More paprika for the color. I don't have any cooking utensils, so we're going to use this pocket knife. And yes, I did clean it. Top skillet, the ground chicken is done, and I have more to cook, so I put it in the second skillet. That is pretty nifty. I'm getting the top portion done, and then we'll have to do the bottom. And we're gonna have hamburger helper today and chicken. My Mini. While we waiting on that, we cooking chicken in here in the air fryer. How is it, Deidre? Get you a spoon.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.